Alright guys, welcome back to Last Call. If you've seen my live stream, you know I'm in Vegas. You'll have seen one more video that was released before this one. Basically, I switched hotel rooms, so I left that other one, the kind of really cheap, basic one. Right now I'm staying at the OYO, which was the one right next door to it. Just checked in here. I actually got a comp night, so I'm staying here for free. So yeah, it's actually a nice room. I will say this, they did some improvements while since the last time I stayed here. So here, let's do a quick room tour. Let me move the camera around so y'all can see here. So here's a bathroom. This is pretty much what I remember. There I am. This is pretty much what I remember from last time, but you know, has everything you need. Plenty of counter space. Got your towels, your toilet, your shower. This is pretty much what I remember from the shower. Very basic, you know. It's a basic shower, but it's very clean, so that's good. They have all your they supply everything you need here: body wash, conditioner, soap. So yeah, it's a basic bathroom, but it's everything you need. Plenty of closet space though. This same as I remember from last time. You have your iron. It comes with an ironing board, hangers. Here's for the ladies. Here's a little makeup area. Sorry, I just gotta check my phone here. You do get complimentary water. It's part of the resort fee that you pay. So the resort fee comes with water. There's an ice bucket. There's usually ice in every floor. Here, we'll start off over here. So you have your 2 nightstands. Both of them have outlets, so that's good. You turn on your lights, turn them off. Other one, same thing, lamp with the outlets as well. You have a little table right there. You have your bed. I chose a king size bed. Obviously you can get 2 doubles instead. It's just me, so I got my king bed. This is different. I didn't have this in the room last time, so I'm not sure if it's included in every room or if you have to pay extra for it. But this is pretty neat actually. You have your microwave. Again, more water. It's complimentary with the resort fee that you pay. Coffee maker. So that's actually pretty cool. And what's really neat is this fridge right here. This will come in handy if you're here with buddies, you know, you want to put some beer in there, whatever. I mean, I usually gamble, so I have drinks at the casino. But yeah, this is the same as I remember last time. This is your air conditioner right here, or the heater slash air conditioner. It is an older unit, so it's kind of loud. Just be prepared for that. It is a little bit louder, but it does work. And then you have a strip. I'm on a strip view, kind of. I'm on the 15th floor, so I have a decent view. Obviously, you can see the sign. That's MGM. The green building is MGM. New York is over there where the Statue of Liberty is on the roller coaster. That's Excalibur straight ahead. So we have Excalibur. You can see the Luxor, the pyramid. That's the Luxor. The tall gold building behind it, that's Mandalay Bay and Delano. So you can see most of the strip properties from here. Back in the background, you can see Vidara. You can see the Cosmo. Tropicana is right next door to us over here. So you just walk on Tropicana Avenue right up here, and you get right to Tropicana. On the other side of Tropicana is Las Vegas Boulevard. So from there, you can cross the street, head over to Luxor, Excalibur, any of those properties. New York would be crossing the street once and then crossing it again that way. But yeah, you have New York that's walking distance. So it's a good location. That's why I really like OYO. So yeah, it's cool. I checked the rates if I wanted to extend for one night. Tonight was comped. Here, let me flip it over. Tonight was comped, so I didn't have to pay for it today just because of my gambling. But if I wanted to get a room tomorrow, it's going to be about $68, I believe. And that's including the one night fee plus the resort fee. Keep in mind, almost every property in Las Vegas charges a resort fee. It's just what it is now. So it's not bad. 60-something dollars, you know, including the resort fee. That's not bad. Yeah, so I'm happy to be here. Tonight, I will probably hit up the strip for a little bit. It's a nice day. It's actually sunny. There is some wind. It's kind of windy, but other than that, it's a nice day outside. So I'll probably do a nighttime walk around to the strip. I'll probably finish this video by just walking across the street and hitting up like on the other side of MGM, and then I'll start a live stream when I finish this one. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you like this room. If you have any questions about this casino, this location of the strip, let me know. I'm pretty familiar with this part, so yeah, just thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Like I said, stay tuned for the second half of this video. We'll go right to the Las Vegas Strip and check it out. Alright guys, I promised to walk around to close this video out, so won't be long, maybe 3 or 4 minutes of just walking around real quick. So basically right now I'm still right in front of OYO Casino. Let me flip the camera. So I'm right at their entrance right here. Basically that's the entrance to their casino. Right on the other side of that, it's like the valet right here, and then it's the main entrance right over there. I have a drink with me, so like I said, over here you can be drinking something and walking around. They won't get you for that. Just don't act stupid, because they can get you for drunk and disorderly, I think it's, but whatever. Anyway, we're gonna cross the street here. It's a simple crosswalk right here at the green light, at that light. We cross the street right there at the crosswalk. You're gonna end up right through MGM. I'm gonna cut through there, and then once we cut through there, we're gonna be right on the main part of the strip. So I'll show you once I cross the street. Other than that, I won't really show you walking through MGM. Some casinos frown upon you filming in there, but yeah, so you'll see me in a minute once I cross the street, and then I'll see me inside on the other side of MGM. All right, so I just crossed the street now. There's MGM right there, you see it? Went way high on that one. Yeah, from here, you know, that's all the driver stuff. You're gonna cut to the left here. There's like a little pedestrian way, walkway to the hotel and casino. Just cut through there. It'll take you right to the front entrance of the hotel. You literally cut through the casino to the other side of MGM, and you're right on the strip. So I'm gonna walk it. You won't see me until I'm already on the strip, but I'll check back with you in a couple minutes. So this is where it leads you right when you walk out of MGM. Here's the other part of the strip. So you can see New York right here. Excalibur, Park MGM, Aria. So we're right on the strip. This is awesome. Welcome to Vegas. That's why I love this city so much.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and
So every time I would do like a live stream or a video, mostly a video on this area, I would have to dub over music for this part, because every single one of these t-shirt places, the mini mart, this $10 or less, they were always blaring music really loud. And it was like each one was competing with each other. So it was always blaring really loud music. So I would have to try to walk far away, or I would just dub music over it, you know? It looks like they all closed down though. I wonder what happened. All these were closed down. There used to be a Fat Burger bar right over here. Looks like that was closed down too. I'm pretty sure about 3 or 4 months ago when I passed by, they were still open, so I have no idea what happened. Yeah, looks like all this is gone too. All of this is closed. I wonder what's going on. Something must be coming in here then. I'll try to find out. I'll try to find out from some locals and see what I find out.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Whoever's watching this far along, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I think this is a good place to end it. I've been walking probably about 15 to 20 minutes onto the strip. It's pretty cold out here, I'm not gonna lie. I'm wearing a pretty thick jacket and I'm still cold. So what I'm gonna do here is stop this video now, and I'm gonna start a live stream walking back towards my hotel. Catch the strip going back this time. The last time I walked this for the live stream, now I'm gonna walk it going back. Maybe tomorrow, another day, I'll do the other half of the strip. But yeah, for today, I think this is a good part. And like I said, it's pretty cold out here. So one cool little fact, that Taco Bell cantina on the other side, it actually has a full bar. They have like the alcoholic slushies. You can get married in there. You can host parties, like you can have birthday parties, anything like that. It's pretty big. It's just insane to see a Taco Bell that actually has a full bar. But yeah, here, I'll flip this camera around real quick. All right, there I am. Like I said, I'm wearing a sweater or a jacket and I'm still cold. So thank you so much for watching. If you watched this far, I really appreciate it. Please hit the like button for me. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Plenty of more Vegas content to come. I'm trying to relocate out here, so yeah, hopefully there'll be more content coming soon. Anyway, please do not drink and drive. Please drink responsibly. Just thank you so much for watching. Thank you for always supporting Last Call. I appreciate it. Much more content to come. Stay safe. Take care.